Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram try again later will restrict certain activity to protect our community. If you are using Instagram and you're facing this type issue that you have to try again later because certain activity to protect our community or something like that. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So it happens when you have any misbehave or mischief or you have violate any community guidelines. So there's not any exact fix to fix the issue. If you find here any date or if you have mentioned any date here, so it means that your problem will be fixed on the date which had been mentioned here. Or if you don't have any date here like that, I don't have any date mentioned here. So here's a simple way to fix the issue. You just have to wait for up to 24 hours. You don't have to like any photo or any reel. Try to avoid to like, comment, share anything on your Instagram. Once you have almost wait for 24 hours, your issue must be fixed. You can easily scroll or use your Instagram by scrolling reels using your messenger, doing chats, and much more. But you don't have to try to like, comment, share, or post anything or avoid to add stories. And after that, your issue must be fixed in up to 24 hours. Or you can also try to update your App Store. It will help you to fix that issue. Open your App Store, search for Instagram, and here you have to search for updates. If you find there updating any updates, try to update your Instagram app. And after that, your issue must be fixed in up to 24 hours. You have to try to don't like, comment, or share anything on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.